Good evening everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we are making the lollipop chicken. I got the drumsticks and I cleared the bone. This is the first thing you need. So you want to push it down all the meat all the way to the bottom, and once this is done, which I already completed this exercise, and you can see that most of the bones are clear, and I already push it down. The next thing is the marination piece. So we put it in the water and it's all clear now. And the next thing is to do is prepare the marination. Okay? Prepare the marination. What we need for marination, we need any lollipop chicken. So we have here. So we're gonna put it here. We're gonna put one egg here. We're gonna make the, you can see, all right, finally everything is done. Hey.